Hi there, my name is Moira 𝐻𝐿𝐦𝐞𝐬𝐭𝚚𝐦𝐩𝐬. I am a personal trainer and Pilates instructor. My specialty is core strength, improving posture, and helping people get better flexibility, mobility, and balance. And I created this course, the TechNeck Toolkit, so that you could do these exercises at home. What you will need for this course is a long flex band, a set of light weights. These are just 3-pound weights. You could also do 2-pound weights, and your body weight. You'll need a mat. And it's really like having me coach you through these exercises to train the opposing muscle groups so that your body stays more balanced and you stay out of pain. And I've been doing this a long time. I've been training people for 15 years, and I've trained hundreds of people. And a lot of the problems people come to me with is, you know, whether they're playing tennis or driving the car too much or at the desk on their phone. It's a lot of these postural progressions where they're day-to-day and they're frankly tight and achy and in pain every day. So this course is 4 chapters, and it's got, I don't know, about 10 videos in each chapter that you can have as a resource and do it at home. Each of the little videos is about, I don't know, 1 to 2 minutes long, so it doesn't take a long time, but it will really help you every day. I really believe in it, and I really, truly hope that you enjoy the course. Thank you for being here, and reach out anytime if you have any questions. Thanks.